Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Jason. This episode I will introduce more information about the SDF 550 and the SDF 400. Let's go and have a look. The SDF 550 and the SDF 400 has the similar size and weight. And you can see the size below. It is the 450 multiple the 500 and multiple the 800 millimeters, and the weight is about 60 kg. So the price of the SDF 400 is $600 US, and the price for the SDF 550 it is $799. The difference because of the inverter. We just show you in the last video. About the motor, the SDF 400 the power is 0.4 kilowatts, and the SDF 550 the power is 0.55 kilowatts. But the capacity it can handling is similar. Okay, that's all. In next episode, I will introduce the spare parts of the machines. And follow us by the video shows below. We are the paint and chemical machine.